It's quite the scorcher, so today's 10,000 step walk is taking me indoors.
Bookstores are still alive in New York. And whereas the bookstore may be alive, the air conditioning, not so much. So it's onward for the quest for good AC.
And there's really only one reliable place for it. That's right, clothing shopping, where they take air conditioning very seriously. Now, for those who know me, you might know that I really don't like clothing shopping.
But desperate times call for desperate measures. Okay, so now that I've spent some money that I didn't need to spend,